I'm lagging. Oh. Oh. Oh, let me see. It's a bit low. 1 sec. Oh no, it's very hard to control. Oh no. Can you hear the pops? Pops! Pops! Pop, 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 pop. It's working! I hope that you'll get along with the bird, please. You have to come up with better conversation topics than nice hat and something nice. Plop! 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 Maybe I can eat you. Ah! You said something nice. That's different. Ah! Oh, that one was too big. I couldn't eat that one. What is the bird? Ah! What's the bird's favorite tea flavor? I don't think the bird can drink or eat. OTOMOS flavor. Yummy. This is stream now. It's just me eating. Makes sense, doesn't it? It's like one of the, you know, the like baby's first game when it's the basket with the fruit and you have to move around in order to catch the fruit. I think it's a good idea. Mukbang when probably never. I don't like mouse sounds and chewing noises unless they're fake. Not that these are fake, these are very real. Okay, maybe this is too easy. I have to be smaller. Cannibalism? No. Okay, bird, you can. Bird, go eat your siblings. Oh, he can't open his beak. Never mind. Ow. 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 Arch nemesis. It's okay. It's fine. Nice nose. Thanks. Oh, you meant the bird? Thanks. Oh, that one popped, but I didn't see it. What's the point? What's the point if you got a pop, but I can't even eat you? Why do you sound like popcorn if you're not even gonna be visible for me to eat? Okay. If I was Cecilia, I'd be eating so good right now. But yeah, no, I don't like mukbang because I don't like mouse sounds. Smith. Like it's not like I don't have a phobia about it or anything, but I just don't like it. So no, not a fan. Not a fan. Yeah. If it's by accident, it's fine. You know, sometimes you listen to ASMR and it's kind of like and it's kind of like, oh, that one was too big. But if it's by accident, it's kind of fine. But if it's on purpose, I'm not a fan. Okay. Now. Okay. Oh! Well, that one was really hard to catch. Yeah, I spit it out, sorry. I can't end the stream. I can't, well, goodbye everyone, I'm gonna kill it! Manual killing! Bye! Bye-bye! Bye! 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 Bye-bye! Goodbye!